Let's be honest, no one really wants to think about what will happen to their money if they're not around, but giving it a little thought now makes a big difference in the future, especially for the people you care about. A beneficiary is the person or people that you choose to leave your super and any insurance payment to when you pass away. It's your chance to make sure that your funds go exactly where you want them to. Without a valid nomination, your super fund might need to decide what to do with your money, and that process can take time and be stressful for your loved ones. Taking a few moments to nominate or update your beneficiary gives everyone clarity and peace of mind. Even if you think you're too young to bother, life happens. People change jobs, relationships, and families grow. Think of it as part of good financial hygiene, like checking your super balance or setting a budget. If you've got an ART super savings account, it's easy to do in just a few steps. Step 1, log into your ART account online or in the ART app. Step 2, go to Manage Account or Beneficiaries. Step 3, add, edit or cancel a binding nomination. You'll just need the date of birth of the person you nominate. Step 4, set the expiry. Choose to renew every 3 years or make it never expire. That's it, job done. It's one of those small tasks that's easy to put off. But once you've done it, you can relax, knowing you've looked after those you care about most. And if things change, you get married, divorced, have children, or restructure your finances, it's easy to log into the app or member online and update the details.